Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to send Bitcoin from Binance to MetaMask. The first thing I want you to do is just launch up a Binance. Come to the bottom or right, click on wallet. So here you can click on withdraw. Okay, so here's our balance BNB. Click on this and then you can click on withdrawal. Click on send via crypto network. And now you need the address, you need the network, the amount, right? So the way you do this, you go to your MetaMask. So here's the wallet, and you tap on a BNB, okay? And then you click on receive. So you got your QR code. You can even copy your address. Just copy the address. Go back here, paste your address in, choose your network, so BNB Smart Chain. Enter the amount, just do max, and then come here, click on withdrawal. So you'll see everything here, the fees, everything that is related to this transaction. Click on withdrawal and then you just confirm your order. Make sure everything is correct. Click on confirm, enter your authenticator code, your phone verification code, email verification code, everything that you had set up. So you're done with that. Submit and your withdrawal will be processed. And after that, you can just come here. You'll see the amount added. So as you can see, really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to App Mentor.